Hey, welcome back, you guys. I'm Ishan Sharma, and in this episode of the LinkedIn Mastery session, I will be teaching you the biggest strategy that you can implement to grow your business, or if you need to have a job, if you want to have an internship, do all of that on LinkedIn, and how you can, talk to people, how you can create some great conversations with people, how you can, create your own brand. To be more exact, I'll be teaching you all of that and so much more in this episode. Make sure that you watch it to the end. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the episode, and let's get started. Alright, you guys, we are back on LinkedIn, and let me actually explain to you what I exactly mean about that strategy, how you can implement it, and what it can actually lead into. Alright, so basically, what the $and $80 strategy means is that you will have to search the top 9 posts in the 10 hashtags that you care about, and you have to drop a thoughtful comment on it, right? You have to drop your 2 cents on it, basically. And you do that every single day, and at the end of maybe, let's say, 1 week or 1 month, you will see tremendous opportunities, maybe for your business, maybe for your job, if you're looking for a job or internship or whatever you want to do on LinkedIn. It will help you to grow on LinkedIn and make some great connections. And so yeah, let me actually show you how I like to do it. So I'm a developer basically on LinkedIn. So what I like to do, I pretty much just search over here hashtag developer, and let me actually show you a live example of what I mean by this. So here's developer, I go to content, and so this will actually show me that the top posts for hashtag developer. And so this is what my process looks like whenever I want to use this strategy. So really appreciate you sending them my way. I would also appreciate you liking or sharing this post to extend the reach of my sure. And so I would pretty much just say, stay safe, you'll get a job, don't worry. And yeah, that is what I would post. Now the trick here is to read the post completely and then drop a comment that would be meaningful to someone. Okay, you add your own perspective onto what you think about that particular post. Okay, let me actually show you what other people do with my posts, so that you will get a even more clear understanding of what I mean by this. So let's say, for example, this is the latest post that I just did about how I left my first internship, which is a completely different story, but whatever. So yeah, this is what other people share on my post, right? And so she says that being a developer, one should always keep learning with the current trends and keep abreast with the coming technologies, but also should keep learning things that might be old. So that is her perspective. I say, all right, makes sense. So I hope you get the idea. Basically, you have to post a meaningful comment on the top 9 posts of the 10 hashtags that you care about. For me, that is hashtag developer, hashtag coding life, hashtag coding, hashtag programmer, and you do that every single day. And that is how you grow more connections, and basically that is how you grow on LinkedIn, right? If you need to increase your follower base, if you want to create your own brand, this is going to be really important for you to implement, right? So I hope you learned something from this tutorial that I showed you over here on LinkedIn. Yeah, this is just what I use every single day, and it has been helping me out tremendously, as you guys can see. Let me actually show you the requests I've been getting. And so, I mean, these things work, and as a result of that, I'm getting all of these connections with people. So, I mean, I hope you get the idea. The idea is to pretty much just create engagement in the comment section of people's posts. And yeah, that is what I think you should be doing every single day. I mean, obviously it is a lot of work, but at the end, the result, everything is paid off because you are getting something in return as well. After a good amount of time, when you do it consistently, that is how you create your own brand. That is how people get to know you. That is how people understand that, okay, this is the kind of person, and this is what he thinks about this particular perspective, right? Now I hope you learned something from this episode. Let me know what was the biggest takeaway, and what hashtags are you following, and have you been using this strategy for your own business, or for creating engagement with people on LinkedIn? Let me know in the comment section below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.